Bro, please. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I'm recording a video. Hi, everybody. As you can see, I'm working with hands again, and I will show you my latest project. This project is also made with an Arduino, as you can see here. And this guy follows my hand, but I have some calibration issues with the project, so I'll be working on it later on. It works kind of fine right now. Also, I'll show you my cat. So let's check out the program. We will be working with this kind of a camera angle, but I have to show my cat right now. Look at this guy. He always comes on my desk and puts his head on my arm like that. It kind of disturbs my work, but it's okay. So, servo motor next to... Bro, please. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I'm recording a video in here, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Don't disturb me, man. Come on, man. Come on. I'll pet you later. I promise that I will pet you. Come on, bro. Okay. So, bro, what are you doing? What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Come on, bro. Why are you doing this? So I set the camera angle like this, so you can see the mechanism. And I have to adjust the calibration better. As you can see, it's not really pointing at my hand. Yeah, it's pointing at my hand right now. But I have to fix the position of the mechanism, and I have to make some calibrations with it, because it directs into my hand in this area. Like, as you can see, it slowly lost the target. It still looks through my hand, but it has to be a little bit at the right. So I have to make some calibrations too, but it works fine for now, I guess. As you can see, it follows my hand. Okay, as I move my hand, it changes its direction. Change the direction that it looks through. So that's all with the project that I have made. Tries to follow my hand. Look at the audience, bro. Look at the audience. Yeah, these are all the components that I have been using on this project. We have a esp8266 board in here, and I'm planning to do some Wi-Fi things with this. There's an Arduino Nano, but it does nothing right now. I at first I was trying to do this project with the Arduino Nano, but then I decided to go with this boy in here. And we have two servo motors. One is x-axis, one is z-axis, y-axis, sorry. And we have a laser pointer in here, and nothing else. This is all you need to do this project. And also a webcam, of course. and the hand detection algorithm does all the things. So if you are interested in this project and want to deep dive into the project, I have put a link down below, GitHub repo of this project, and you can see all the code, all the explanation how I did this, all the components required, all the pins that I have connected. It's all detailed in the GitHub repo. And if you want me to record a longer video of how I exactly did this, I can also do it, but you have to subscribe and like the video so I can understand that you really want me to take longer videos and show the details of my project. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Thank you for watching, guys. That's all with the project right now, and see you later.